Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn off notification on Flow app. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flow application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where exactly can you get the Flow app? You can get it on Google Play Store or you can get it on Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Flow app and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. After downloading the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-in window. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or you can just create a new account entirely. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flow app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to turn off notifications on Flow app. Now I'm going to show you how you can turn off the secret chat notification. Again, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the general notification. So let's start with the secret chat notification. From the top left corner of your screen, you're going to find the avatar icon. Click on the avatar icon. It takes you right here where you have graphs and reports, cycle and ovulation settings, access code, reminders. Go ahead and click on setting reminders rather. So once you click on reminders, it takes you here. You have secret chat notification. It's on, so you can go ahead and click on that. You can toggle that off, and that's going to be it. Notification for secret chat is turned off. So that's one. So you can go the way back and let's go ahead to see how we can turn off the general notification of the Flow app. Now, apart from turning off the secret chat notification in the Flow app, there is no other notification that you can turn off in the Flow app. So what you're going to have to do is to open up your phone settings. So this is the phone settings, my phone settings. And over here, I'm going to have to click on notification and I'm going to click on app settings. So I'm going to check Flow app. You can see Flow. So my notification has been turned on rather for Flow because it's toggled on. If I want to turn it off, I'm just going to toggle that off and you see that this has been turned off. So with this, I'm not going to get push notifications for Flow app in my phone anymore because I've turned it off in my phone settings. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.